Like any other community, all the other communities in Kenya, the community from Kisii is faced with similar challenges that we all know. The challenges of road network, the challenges of health, all those challenges that electricity, I mean, they are not really isolated to only other regions. They also, challenges that we face in Kisii. So we sat today to evaluate our strength in the broad-based government and our projections and expectations for for the next 3 financial years in regard to the development of our people. So largely this meeting was about development and unity of our people and fighting together, putting our synergies together to make sure that we pull the resources towards our people for the benefit of the common mwananchi. I think
I would like to say just a few words in English. We are here as a leadership of the Kisii community. For a few members who are not here, they have given their apologies for not attending, but they are with us. As the leadership of Kisii, we are here with all the members of parliament from all the 14 constituency or sub-counties in Kisii County. And next time we believe that our governors and the women reps, especially Mama Doris Donya, who was not here because she has traveled out of the country, and anybody else who's been elected, we want to start working together as a team. At some point, I believe the chief whip will be informing the public and informing the people of the community what are the strategies and what is the reason why we have come together. Purely, we want to engage the government. We want to make sure that we are given an opportunity to serve our people. If the government listens to us and the government agrees to support our community, we will take note and we will work to make sure that development comes to our areas, and we will actually support the government, because all of us understand the Kenyan political matrix has changed. We now have a government that is broad-based. We are no longer having the issues of opposition and other issues. So that is what I wanted to say, and we are very, very proud and happy about this moment. I think this is the first time that all of us have realized the significance of staying together and working together for our community. Kama viongozi wa maeneo yetu wakilishi, kama viongozi wa Kisii, tumejumuika sisi wote, vyama vyote, na tumesema tungependa kukaa pamoja, tuanze kuzungumzia mambo ya maeneo yetu, haswa majimbo yetu ya Nyamira na Kisii. Na baada ya kukutana leo, kuna wale viongozi ambao watapewa jukumu la kutuweka pamoja, tuendelee kuzungumza na kukubaliana vile tutazungumzia wananchi wetu, ili tuhakikishe wakati huu wacha maendeleo ikuje. Kama serikali ina miradi inataka kuhakikisha imefanyika, wacha tuende tuhakikishe hiyo miradi imefanyika, ili jamii ya Mkisii nayo isiwachwe nyuma. Tena tungependa kusema kuwa tunajua kuna nafasi yanapatikana ambako serikali imeanza kuandika watu na kupata nafasi kwa jamii zote za Kenya. Tungependa Kisii ajumlishwe hapo ndani, ili pia watu wetu wawe na ufasaha na kukubaliana kuwa na wao ni wa Kenya ambao wanatoka kwa eneo la Kisii County na Nyamira. Shukran. Hatuwezi kulizungumzia sasa, tutakaa kama viongozi, tutalizungumzia alafu tutatoa ujumbe rasmi. We will answer and respond to those issues very, very soon, once we have all the data and the information.